Hence, let us solve a nice system of equations. Here we are given x cube plus y cube equals 5a cube. At the same time, x square y plus xy square equals a cube. Right, we have to solve. We have cubes here, x cube and y cube. Right, at the same time, we have x square y, xy square. We should figure out a way where if we can simplify and get some x plus y or xy out of this. Right, otherwise it will become complex. So we should figure out a way to get some x plus y and xy out of this because we have x cube plus y cube, x square y plus xy square. We know, right? X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square. Right, let us try to simplify this. From cubes, let's try to bring it down to squares or in terms of x plus y, xy or not. Right. Then it becomes easy. We have ready-made formulas for that. Let's see how we can do this. We know x cube plus y cube equals x plus y times x square minus xy plus y square. What this means, the second time we can also write, we can add plus 2xy and subtract minus 2xy without losing anything. Right. Why we are doing? We want x plus y whole square here. Right. So then this becomes x plus y times whatever addition and subtraction of 2xy. This becomes x plus y times x plus y whole square minus 3xy. There is one xy minus xy and there is another minus 2xy. This becomes x plus y whole square minus 3xy times x plus y. Because instead of cubes, now we are trying to get in terms of x plus y's and xy's. Right. Now, this is the first term. This entire piece should be equal to 5a cube. Right. Now, in the second term also we can take xy common and then we'll be left with xy times x plus y, which becomes a cube. Right. So, this in the second equation we have converted in terms of xy and x plus y. First equation also we have converted in terms of x plus y and xy. Now, let us substitute this x plus y as u and xy as v. This is just for our simplicity because it is easier to see, right? So, x plus y as u, xy as v. So what will the first equation become? The first equation, this has become this. Now this equals 5aq. So this will become, let us just expand this. X plus y into x plus y whole square, which becomes x plus y whole cube minus 3xy times x plus y. Right. Equals 5a cube. So this equation has become this. Right, this equation has become this. But luckily, we have converted the second equation to here, which is xy times x plus y. If xy times x plus y is a cube, 3xy times x plus y should be 3a cube. Right. So now x plus y whole cube minus 3a cube equals 5a cube. What is x plus y? Is u. Right. U cube minus 3a cube equals 5a cube. That means e cube equals 8a cube. U equals 2a. Right. U equals to a because we are concerned only about the real roots, real solutions. That's why we'll take only 2a. No imaginary numbers here. U equals 2a. Then uv. What is v? U equals x plus y and xy. Right. uv equals a cube. Right. This is the second equation basically. Xy times x plus y is equal to a cube. That means uv equals a cube. What is v? V is a cube by u. V is a cube by u. U is already 2a. We just figured out, right? That means V is a square by 2. What is V? Xy. Xy is a square by 2. X plus y is 2a. Right. We wanted this. So basically these two equations we have simplified in such a way so that we get x plus y is 2a and xy is half a square, which is this is u, this is v, half a square. So this is massively simplified, right? These two equations in terms of cubes they were. Now we have got them into power 1 only. X plus y, xy. And now from here it is a pretty straightforward solution for us. And you know x plus y, we can x plus y and xy, we can easily calculate what is x minus y because x minus y whole square equals x plus y whole square minus 4xy, right? X square plus y square plus 2xy minus 4xy will become x square plus y square minus 2xy, which is x minus y whole square, right? So x minus whole square becomes x plus y whole square, which is 4a square minus 4x square. 4 into half a square, which becomes 2a square, which becomes, so x minus y whole square becomes 2a square. Right. We know x plus y is 2a, x minus y whole square is 2a square. What does that mean? X minus y can become plus or minus under root 2a. Right. That's what here. X minus y can become under root plus or minus 2a because x minus y whole square is 2a square. So we already know x plus y is 2a because this is u. X plus y is 2a, then x minus y can become plus root 2a or minus root 2a. So what are the total solutions? This will remain common when x plus y equals 2a and x minus y equals plus root 2a. Similarly, x plus y equals 2a and x minus y equals minus root 2a. Let us solve both of this. Let us just add both of them. 2x becomes 2 plus root 2a by 2. Right. If we add both of this, y will get cancelled. X becomes 2 plus root 2 by root 2a by 2. And what would y become? Y becomes 2a minus x. Right. X plus y equals 2a, y equals 2a minus x. Right. 2a minus 2a minus 2 plus root 2 by 2. 2a minus 2 plus root 2 by 2 becomes, this is 2 times 2a, 4a, minus again 2 times 2a becomes 2a, or we are taking a common, and we'll be left with this root 2 will become, still remain root 2 only. So we'll be left with y equals 2 minus root 2 by a. Similarly here, x minus y, if we take as minus root 2a, again adding both of them, 2x becomes 2a minus root 2a and x becomes 2 minus root 2a by 2. Then what will y become? Y, if you take the second equation, x plus root 2a will become y, or y becomes 2a minus x. 2a minus x. We can take either of these equations. Here we have taken 2a minus x. What is x? 2 minus root 2 a root 2 by 2a. Right. So here again it becomes, if you simplify this, it becomes 2 plus root 2 by 2a. Basically, either if x is this, if x is 2 plus root 2a by 2, then y is 2 minus root 2a by 2. 2 minus root 2 by 2a. If x becomes 2 minus root 2 by 2a, y becomes 2 plus root 2 by 2a. Just that x and y will just interchange. If x is this, y is this. If x is, if x is this, then y is this. Just, they just interchange the equations. So these are the two solutions of this equation. Right, guys? Hope you like this. It's a nice problem. We did some clever algebraic manipulation. We have used x plus y whole cube, x cube, sorry, x cube plus y cube. We use these steps to simplify these two equations. Thank you, guys. Hope you like this.